What's up, guys and girls? Dan here. So today, just on the way to the gym, I just wanted to talk to you about the three easy ways to make Bitcoin while you sleep, or while you're out at the gym, while you're laying on the beach, or out with the family, out with the kids, whatever you're doing. Now, there's only three basic ways you can make Bitcoin, and that is you either buy it, you trade it, or you mine it. Now, if you buy Bitcoin, it's going to cost you over $10,000 per Bitcoin. In order to trade Bitcoin against other coins to make a profit in Bitcoin, you need Bitcoin to start with, to start trading, so you still have to buy that Bitcoin. And the other way is Bitcoin mining, which is basically you're getting the Bitcoin from the source. It's like having the money printed, you're having the Bitcoin created. And what mining is basically just verifying transactions on the public blockchain. So miners who verify transactions get a Bitcoin reward, and that is what Bitcoin mining is. So if you want to start mining Bitcoin today, then you can get involved with a company I'm involved with called the BitClub Network, as you may have heard of. You may have heard of the company, or you may have heard me mentioning them before. One of the best Bitcoin mining companies and opportunities in the world, without a doubt. But I actually do all three. I make Bitcoin while I sleep in three ways. I trade Bitcoin using an automatic trading bot. I also am involved with another company which does trading for me and gives me 1% per day, 5 days a week, hands off, so that's passive income. I don't even have to do any auto trading or any bot trade. I don't even have to touch my computer or do anything in order for that company to pay me. And I also do the Bitcoin mining. So I would recommend to everybody that you do all three of these methods. If you include buying the Bitcoin, then it's actually four methods. So number one is buying the Bitcoin, number two is trading Bitcoin using an Autobot software, number three is trading Bitcoin by letting somebody else do it for you, having a company that pays you interest daily, and number four is mining the Bitcoin at source. So as I've said in other videos of mine, the reason you should be mining Bitcoin is, like I say, if you was to buy Bitcoin today, the price is actually around $12,000 now as I make this video. So if you were to buy one full Bitcoin at $12,000 and hold on to it for a year, next year you'd still have only that one Bitcoin. Hopefully the value will have gone up a lot for you, so you'll have made some profit there, but you've still only got that one Bitcoin. Now, if you take that same $12,000 and put that into the BitClub network, that's going to buy you 3 founder positions, and 3 founder positions in the BitClub network is going to see you mining over 3 Bitcoins in a year. So at the end of that year, instead of just having that one Bitcoin which you bought for 12 grand, you would now have 3 Bitcoins, and it doesn't stop there because your mining is still continuing. So it's still mining for you for another two years or more. And if you reinvest a little part of that mining into repurchasing, then your BitClub shares never expire. So in effect, it's mining for you for years and years and years and years to come. So those are the 3 ways, or the 4 ways to make Bitcoin. So if you want any more information, drop me a line on Facebook, drop me a line on Skype. You can get my details from my website, whoisdanwhite.com. Watch my YouTube videos. Again, the channel URL is on whoisdanwhite.com. And that's all for now, guys. I'm just going to be arriving at the gym shortly, so I'm going to log off the video, and I'll see you guys later.